from Listening Room. The album is Yellow Sundress. Next Wednesday at Rockford Brewing, she'll be performing to release the album. She's right here today. It's Izubel.
Feel the sand between your fingernails. Feel it in the roots of your hair. Da, 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 da. Take a moment, smell the open air. Hear the seagulls singing over there. Da, 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 da. To me that's not alright, 'cause what we would give so here can nothing change.
You've got it tuned here to 2020. I'm Barbara Walters. This is my intense interview with Izubel here live on WYC 88.1 FM. I have to mess with you because you're always around here hanging out. We're like friends, kind of, right? Again, Izubel's album release will take place next Wednesday at Rockford Brewing. The new album is Yellow Sundress. In all honesty, congratulations. You're a great performer and singer, but as I tell many of the musicians that are up here, putting out an album, it sounds so normal. All the musicians are like, yeah, I did an album. Yeah, there's an album. It's a lot of work. It's a lot. And original music, not only going from writing to getting it recorded, getting it released, it's a business, and that's why it's a music business, and you're doing it already at such a young age, so congratulations.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
The album is Yellow Sundress. You'll find it on streaming networks, and you'll find her performing next week at Rockford Brewing. That's Izubel. This is WYCE 88.1 FM.